Data bars can help you spot larger and smaller numbers, such as top selling and bottom selling toys in a holiday sales report. A longer bar represents a larger value and a shorter bar represents a smaller value. Select the range of cells, the table or the whole sheet that you want to apply conditional formatting to. So let's start. First I format this dataset. Select this range. Change the background color of this header. Suppose I select this color. Then I add borders in this dataset. Press Ctrl Shift down arrow. Click this arrow button. Then click on all borders. After that I add data bars. First select the cell references range that you want data bars. Press Ctrl Shift down arrow. After that scroll up. Then in Home tab, Styles group, click Conditional Formatting. Then point on data bars. Here are many options. Suppose I select this color. I see here the data bars are added in this column. The longer data bar shows larger value and shorter data bar shows smaller values. I format this text into currency format. Click on currency. Decrease the decimal places. So it is easy to add data bars in the columns. Next I add data bars in this column. Select this cell. Press Ctrl Shift down arrow, then scroll up, click Conditional Formatting arrow button, point on data bars, then I select this color. I see here the data bars are inserted in this column. The longer data bar shows larger value and the shorter data bar shows smaller values. I can show only data bars in this column. Active this cell, enter =, click this cell reference, press enter key. The value of this cell reference is added in this cell. Similarly, I add all values of this column in this column. Active this cell. Point on right bottom border edge until its shape changes to plus sign. Then double click. Then click Conditional Formatting arrow button. Point on data bars. Suppose I select this color. Then again click on Conditional Formatting arrow button. Point on data bars. Click on More Rules. I see here this option. If I check this box, I will see only data bars in this column because this option shows Show Bar Only. In this dialog box, I have many options. I can select a rule type here. I can select here minimum or maximum values. Then I can change the bar colors from here. I make changes only here. Click OK. I see here only data bars, but I need to change the color of that data bars. Point on data bars. Click on More Rules. I can select here color or I can select from here color. Select this color. Scroll down. So longer bar shows larger data and shorter bar shows smaller data. In this sheet I see the direction of all bars is same because all values are positive. If some values are negative, the direction of data bars is changed. In the next sheet, I change the sum values to negative values. Click this sheet. First I format this dataset. Select this range. I change the background color, this color. Then I add borders. Click on all borders. Then I format these values. Click currency format. Then click this cell reference. Enter equal sign. Click this cell reference. Press enter key. Paste the same formula in other cells. Then click conditional formatting arrow button. Point on data bars. I select this color. Again click conditional formatting. Click on more rules. Check show bar only. I change the color of bars because default color is selected this color. Suppose I select this color. Click OK. I see here the data is removed from this column. I also see all bars are in the same direction because all values in this range are positive. If I enter any value in this range negative, the direction of that bar will be changed. Suppose I select this bar, enter subtraction operator, press enter key. Increase the width of this column, then increase the width of this column. I format this cell. Select this option, click OK. I see here the direction of this bar is changed because this cell has negative value. Similarly, I select these three cell references. I enter negative values in these three cells. Enter negative sign, press enter key. Enter negative sign, press enter key. Enter negative sign, press enter key. Then I format these cells. Right click, select this option, click OK. In this way, data bars are added in an Excel worksheet.